प्रणाम जी। मेरा नाम आशिमा मेहरा खन्ना है और मैं नोएडा में रहती हूँ। मैं आज आप सबके सामने अपनी कोविड जर्नी के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहती हूँ। Last year, as you all are familiar with, that we were hit by the COVID waves, and in the whole period, Guruji always used to say कि मैं हूँ और किसी को कुछ नहीं होगा, and we just had that faith in him, and luckily हम सबको कुछ नहीं हुआ. So first wave went, we were all very fine, nothing happened to us. Then came September 2020. Unfortunately, in the first week of September 2020, I went to my mother's place, which is in Delhi, and just 2 ही दिन हुए थे, and मुझे वहाँ पे रहते हुए, and कुछ ऐसा खास नहीं हुआ. Everything was fine, no problem. बट मेरी फैमिली में वहाँ पे कुछ लोगों को बुखार आने लगा था, एंड उसी वीक के संडे पे, जो फर्स्ट संडे था, सो गुरुजी ने कोविड कैंप सेटअप किया था इन फरीदाबाद. सो हम में से कोई, मतलब ऐसे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी वर नॉट विलिंग टू गो, बिकॉज ऐसा कुछ था नहीं, तो वी वर थिंकिंग कि कुछ है नहीं, तो और हम सब घर में थे, तो एक माहौल था बातचीत का, इसलिए वी अवॉइडेड. Interestingly, that day we got a call from Guruji, and he literally told us कि he told my parents कि आप सब लोग आए नहीं कोविड टेस्ट करवाने. तो मेरे पेरेंट्स ने बोला गुरुजी सब ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. तो कहते नहीं, आप आइए इसी वक्त, और सब आइए. So me, my husband, and there were around 14 other members, because my maternal side, they live in a joint family, although the floors are different. So we all went to the camp which was held in Faridabad, and we literally drove very fast because camp ka timings khatam ho rahe the. It was around till 5 o'clock tak tha. So we hurriedly went so that हमारी testing हो सके. And we informed our other nearby relatives who lives in Noida that आप भी please जाके test करवाइए. And when we went there, so out of 14 members, 8 they were tested positive by the rapid antigen test, the kit-based test that was conducted, and we were literally shocked. We were in despair, we were shocked, we were shivering कि अब क्या होगा, मतलब हमने ये नहीं सोचा था. And we were just waiting कि गुरुजी हमें कहीं गुरुजी आए and हम उनसे बात करें कि मतलब we were all in a desperate situation to talk to him and to tell him that out of 14, 8 members of my family have been tested positive. The 14 members, they included people which was my grandfather, he's plus 80, and they were my aunt's kids who were around 1.5 year old, and they were twins. So the age period जिन लोगों को इन्फेक्शन हुआ था, they were between 1.5 years to 80 plus people. So, and my mother was positive, my first aunt was positive, my second aunt got positive, all 3 kids were positive, 2 of them which were 1.5 year old, and apart from that my some cousins, they were also positive. Me and my husband were then negative. So Guruji came, and we literally had tears in our eyes, and we were like कि गुरुजी बचा लो, हम सबको बचा लो. And my grandfather, as he was also positive, he was so scared, and I saw him sitting just in the corner of one chair, isolated and lonely, and He doesn't wanted to talk to anyone. But when he saw Guruji, he just came to him, he touched his feet and he said, please बचा लीजिए, हम सबको बचा लीजिए. And you know what? Guruji just said 3 words, कुछ नहीं होगा. Those 3 magical words he said that gave so much confidence in all of us. It was like after we went back to home, but we were told by the doctor over there that you all take precautions since so many people are positive, more than 60% of your family is positive, so you might develop symptoms. And after 2 days, every one of us, even my nearest relatives also, they were tested positive. My in-laws, because I live with my in-laws and me and my husband, we both are positive, so my mother-in-law used to take care of us. And we were so scared कि हमारी वजह से कहीं उन्हें कुछ ना हो जाए. And I always had this Simran in my mind कि गुरुजी हमें पूरे परिवार की रक्षा करिए, हमारी भी और जो हमारे साथ हैं हमारे अपनों की भी. And मेरे in-laws दोनों ठीक रहे, उन्हें कोई दिक्कत नहीं हुई इतनी. My father-in-law is above 60, my mother-in-law is almost 60. Still, nothing bad or worse happened to them. Nothing bad happened to my family. Nothing bad happened to my relatives. The days went by. People used to call us. They used to tell us कि आप hospital में admit होइए, आप medicines लीजिए. And there was so much panic around us that we were all at this thing. And then I used to look at Guruji's photo that I have in my room. And I said, Guruji, आप हो ना साथ में, कुछ नहीं होगा ना. And I used to hear that voice कि कुछ नहीं होगा. Those 3 magical words. And luckily, the whole month passed. We had body aches, we have the normal symptoms, but nothing major happened to us. It's a miracle. It's a true miracle that happened to us, to my family. I've seen people of all age. There's a whole span from 1.5 to 80 plus, whole range of people in my family, and they were all safe. They were smiling. In October, we celebrated the Shera together, then Diwali together, New Year together. It's all because of Guruji. गुरुजी अगर आप नहीं होते ना तो आज शायद हमारे चेहरों पर ये मुस्कान नहीं होती. आज हमें ये कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं होता कि हम आपसे ये बातें इतने आसानी से ये बातें लोगों को बता पा रहे हैं. आपकी वजह से हमें ये शक्ति मिली. We feel so much strengthened. We developed antibodies also against COVID, so that जब अभी recently जो first and second wave hit में 2021 में, so we were not affected by them. Somewhere वो कहते हैं ना, भगवान जो करता है कुछ सोच के करता है. गुरुजी उस वक्त हम सोचते थे कि हम ही क्यों. आज लगता है कि शायद आपने बचाना था, इसीलिए आपने हमें तब कर दिया. हमने बचा भी लिया, हमें कोविड भी हुआ, हमारे एंटीबॉडीज भी बन गए, और वो पीरियड थोड़ा स्ट्रेसफुल रहा, बट वो इतना डिजास्ट्रस नहीं रहा. आगे भी गुरुजी मनदीप और मेरे पूरे परिवार की, आपके अपने पूरे परिवार की, पूरे डिवाइन मिशन की, प्लीज सबकी रक्षा कीजिए. वी ऑल आर डिपेंडेंट ऑन यू. परमात्मा एक है, लेकिन वो परमात्मा को एक बताने का जो रास्ता है ना, वो आप हमें दिखाते हो. थैंक यू. We all respect you, we all love you, and loads of gratitude from all of us to you. Happy Guru Purnima, Guruji. Jai Guruji.
The Divine Mission, contributing towards humanity.